Hey everybody, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source in Jacksonville, Florida. I wanted to take a minute to walk around this really nice and very rare 2005 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited Sahara. Yes, there is such a thing. They only made 1,000 of them. They are numbered. This is number 449 of 1,000. It is a really nice Jeep. Brand new BF Goodrich tires, 285/70 16s. Has an old Man Emu lift, N-Fab side steps. That is a brand new soft top. It's had a lot of recent service performed by the previous owner. We've had it inspected by our trusted Jeep guy. It's a really nice Jeep. Very special Jeep. I encourage you to do some research. This has been referred to as the Holy Grail of LJs. So you've got a lot of stuff going on here. You got a Rubicon, you've got a Sahara, you have an Unlimited, also known as an LJ. A lot of neat things, a lot of extras in this Jeep. It has a really nice sound system, spray line floors. Only 79,446 miles. Give me a call at 904-382-7230 if you have any questions. You can also find a lot of detailed photos on our website, premierautosource.com. premierautosource.com. Feel free to give me a call with any questions. We like to talk Jeeps. In my humble opinion, they don't get any better than a 2005 or 2006 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited. You are definitely a rock star at the Jeep meet with this, for sure. Thank you for your interest and have a good day.